Hey everyone, this is the brand new Range Rover Velar. This color is called the Fuji White. The price for this one is 120,000 euros in the Netherlands. In this video I will show the exterior, the interior, and we will do a test drive with this beauty. I think this is the most beautiful Range Rover of all time. Special thanks to my friends at the Adventure, Range Rover and Jaguar dealer at Den Bosch, the Netherlands. And we are now in the interior of the Range Rover Velar HSE R-Dynamic, the most luxurious version. Beautiful two-tone leather interior. This is how the key looks like. Range Rover written on it. You can turn on the lights, lock, unlock, trunk release. You have of course the air suspension. You can raise the car or lower the car with this. Price for this car is 120,000 euros. These screens in the interior will also be on the new Range Rover Sport and the new Range Rover. This is the most powerful diesel engine and the most luxurious package with the R-Dynamic and the HSE trim. It produces 300 horsepower and 700 Newton meters of torque. It has a 8-speed automatic transmission. 0 to 62 in just 6.5 seconds. The fuel economy is 6.3 liters combined per 100 kilometers. It has a 66 liter fuel tank. The color for this car is Fuji White. This Fuji White and the black roof combines really well. This is the car I would buy if I was in for a SUV. Beautiful R-Dynamic front bumper, more aggressive, with glossy black grille and trim in the lower section of the bumper. It has 21-inch 10-spoke light alloy wheels, styling 1033 in satin dark grey. You have the R-Dynamic logo at the side. What a beautiful car this is. It has the panoramic sunroof, my favorite, and this design will age really good. It has the camera underneath the mirror. I really like the door handles. They pop out when you unlock the car. This is really good looking, especially at the back. With the new design, it has the 360 degrees camera system. It has the rear spoiler. It has the adaptive cruise control, Q assist, ambient lighting with signature lines, autonomous emergency braking, blind spot assist. It has every possible feature. The Velar is bigger than the Evoque but smaller than the Range Rover Sport. And you can buy it with the activity key wristband. So you don't need the key. When you have this wristband, you can swim with it, everything. But when you come close to the car will unlock and you can start the car with this wristband. The Meridian sound system is also a very good system. It has 1600 watts and 23 speakers. It's called the Meridian Signature Sound System. And we are now in the interior of the Range Rover Velar HSE R-Dynamic, the most luxurious version. Beautiful two-tone leather interior. It has the touch-sensitive buttons on the steering wheel. These light up when you start the car. Looks brilliant. Two screens, which I will show next. This is the space lift. I'm 1 meter and 83, and it has the LED lights in the interior, which is also great. And it has a beautiful big panoramic sunroof. Comes all the way to the back. Of course, you have the 4-zone climate control, and you have an armrest with cup holders. It has 21-inch rims. It has 20-way adjustable massage seats with heated and cooled function. It has the Q assist. It has the 360 degrees camera system. It has the blind spot monitoring system. And I really like the 2 screens in the car. It is a touchscreen system. It suits the car perfectly, looks very modern, and I'm a fan of this interior. Before I begin with the interior review, this is how the key looks like. Range Rover written on it. You can turn on the lights, lock, unlock, trunk release. It has keyless entry and keyless start, of course. These are touch sensitive. You have the lane assist, of course. You have the blind spot assist in the mirror. It has also the 360 degrees camera system. This is also new, the LCD screens with the R Dynamic logo, because this is R Dynamic. It has also the head-up display. Beautiful system. Fully loaded, this car. It has the 2 screens. One for the climate control, one for everything. 2 armrests. USB, SD card input, HDMI and a power outlet, and a storage area, of course. You have a cup holder space. This is the lovely part. This is the gear lever. This rises up when you start the car. Then you can select drive or sport or reverse. And this is the park, of course. Here you have the climate control settings and the off-road settings. Eco mode, comfort, grass, mud and sand. You have, of course, the air suspension. You can raise the car or lower the car with this if you need to. You have the climate control settings, 4-zone, high, low, synchronize. It has 20-way power adjustable seats with the massage system, fan speed, languages available for the velar system language. These are the languages available with the on-off-road package. Terrain response 2, all-terrain progress control, ATPC, and you can buy it with adjustable dynamics. You have the off-road settings, off-road information, low traction control. A lot of safety systems available for the Range Rover Velar: autonomous emergency braking, rear view camera, park assist, adaptive cruise control with Q assist and intelligent emergency braking. It is available with blind spot assist, driver condition monitor, lane keeping assist, reverse traffic detection, traffic sign recognition and adaptive speed limiter, 360 degrees camera system, parking sensors, rear view camera, parking sensors.
Is ook al verkocht?
You have the eco data, cameras, valet mode, ambient lighting. Radio settings, phone connection. Bluetooth connectivity. Settings. You have the cruise control settings on the steering wheel. Shift pedals, of course, automatic wipers, automatic lights. Voice activation. The trip computer settings, info display. You can also turn this to an entire screen if you want, like this, which is also very cool. You have the speed and temperature settings, languages available. These are the languages. Here you have the dimming rearview mirror, SOS button. You can open the sunroof. Welcome to the test drive of the Range Rover Velar. We will drive in the city and we will turn on the highway so we can see what's what. The fuel economy combined is 6.5 liters. All models of the Range Rover Velar get the terrain response. You can also buy it with the terrain response 2 option. When you accelerate, it has a beautiful sound to it. The air suspension feels really comfortable. You have different ride height settings. I really like the interior quality of this Velar. You can buy it with a full leather package. The dash and the door panels are made out of leather. The navigation system has different angles. The Velar is bigger than the Evoque but smaller than the Range Rover Sport. It's luxurious and has more off-road capability than most rivals. It has the beautiful Touch Pro Duo infotainment system, which comprises two 10-inch high-definition colored touchscreens, the upper one for the navigation and the lower one for the audio, climate, seat, off-road and other vehicle functions. And you can also control these functions with the 5-inch color TFT instrument display. The Meridian sound system is also a very good system. It has 1600 watts and 23 speakers. It's called the Meridian Signature Sound System. This car has the autonomous emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, reversing cameras, airbags, traction stability control, roll stability control, cornering brake control, torque factoring by braking. It has every possible features. It has the emergency brake assist, hill descent control, hill launch assist, trailer stability assist, tire pressure monitoring. So you can see it's a very safe SUV. Of course it has also the blind spot assist, the lane keeping assist, the adaptive cruise control, and the transmission is a ZF automatic transmission. And you can buy it with the activity key wristband. So you don't need the key. When you have this wristband, you can swim with it, everything. But when you come close to the car will unlock, and you can start the car with this wristband. Above all, this car has style, it has good looks, and it's a very good driving car in my eyes. I really like the interior quality, I like the design, I like the two screens, I like everything about this car.